So, hello guys. Today we are playing Build a Boat for a Treasure. We just decided. Okay, nice. Okay, bro, let's just build a machine ourselves. Like, literally, I only have these things. Like, these things I got from the PvP thingy. Can I just, yeah, I can help you build a boat. Like, I have nothing, literally. I just got these from the PvP right now. Wait, side, wait, let me just. Okay, that's better. Wait, let me just do this for a sec. Higher your voice. Settings. Audio. Volume. Mic doesn't need to be allowed. Output level. Okay. Okay. Let's just okay. Let me just lower this sound a little bit. Okay, there we go. Bro, where are you firing? Bro, remove that thing off. Like, remove that thing off, like, literally.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Hold up. I want to.
You can't! Oh, nice. Bro, okay. Wait, when did it... Wait, can I... Aw, bro, where are you hitting it? Let me just place.
There's like a switch, yeah.
Yeah, I have a switch. Do you have a switch, though? Oh, okay. So, bruh, come on. Let's do this. Wait. Okay, good enough GPU. Okay. Okay, okay. I have like nothing. Let me just build the inside. Bruh, do you think we can turn it to that? I have 0 left. Anyway, let me just. Can I drive it? Can I drive it? Like literally? See? Yeah. You can. I think. I don't know. Yeah, let's use these spike things to literally destroy stone. Bruh. Oh, you have a switch. Nice. Okay, let me just put this. Okay, Max. Oh, okay. Okay, this is your seats. I only have this seat. Sad life. Bruh, don't put the machine gun there, please. Can I put it? Like, I want to use everything right now I have. Thanks. Okay. Yeah. No. Wait, nice. You got a force field. Okay, by what? By pressing F? Oh, by pressing F, I can activate it. Let me just wait. There we go. No, don't use that. No, or else. No, bro, please. No, like, please. Okay, I'm gonna make my own machine gun too. Bruh, don't use it. Bruh, don't use the force field. It's gonna die, you know? Okay, I have my own. Don't use that. Okay, let's launch. Wait, this is okay for our ship, you know? Wait, okay, go that way. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna use it in the hard parts. Because I played this game before, like, not in this account anyway. Yahoo! Is there anything? We are dying! Bruh, my machine gun died. I couldn't have a chance to use it. I didn't have a chance, like, literally. Like, oh my god, though, my other account, I'm, like, so good at this game. Like, literally, I have a whole jet. Wait, force field, wait, is this hard? Is this, okay, it's not the hard place. Let me just go back. Okay, nice. What, why? Bro, I could have passed that just from sides. Okay, there we go. Bro, I played this game before, you know, I'm not a noob. But yeah, with these items. They did. Look. Oh, bruh. It didn't. Bruh, they're useless. Okay, there's the. Okay, I'm gonna use the force field in this because, yeah. It's because the baseball is like too big. What happened? Bruh, the machine gun died. Rip. Oh my god, why can't I use candy? I want some candy. Like, why can't I? Okay, I know this game, so yeah, you can't take it. They're dying things. Okay, let's go anyway. Oh, I just dodged that. What? Okay, I do not know this place. May because I haven't played for a long time. Maybe in that account. Yeah, I don't know this place. Yeah, finally I discovered it. Bruh, are you dying? Bruh. Bruh, you died. Bruh, you died. Bruh, you died. Ooh, noise. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, okay, how much money? Oh, bruh, I'm not gonna use that money. Like, okay, my refresh rate is good. My GPU. Yeah. No. Bruh, I just joined. Like, this is my first time playing. But, bro, how is your GPU, though? How much? Can... No, it's not resources, it's performance. It's performance. What? Bruh, yo, yeah, bruh, you have GeForce RTX anyway, so yeah. Like, yeah. Bruh, 60. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. That's like 65 FPS is good because you know your eye can't actually realize the difference between everything after 24. Let's say there's after 24. Yeah, but I want to also tell the gamers who are watching this that it's useless to have that many FPS. So yeah. Oh, bro, I was just gonna fire it. Okay, let me just. Okay, let's do duo boats, bro. Okay, let's do a race. Okay, the first one. Yeah, like please, like bro, please, like please. Okay, just gonna use this for nothing. Machine gun. It's gonna be sitting on the seat. Yeah, nice, bro. Okay, then use that big brain idea, literally. Oh my god, bro, like please, let's make a race, like please. Bro, the audience will love it. Like, please. I know, but bro, please.
You put it up there. Don't launch it.
Bruh. Okay, nice.
Still need to make contact from the GTO.
Okay, no one cares. Actually, I do, kind of. Okay, there we go. Bruh, I have spikes. I have a spike on my seat. Ow, it hurts. Okay, yeah, that's gonna die. That's just gonna die anyhow, so let me just... Aha. Okay. Oh my god, I don't have any blocks left. Oh wait, I can use chests. Yes. I can use a chest. No, you can just use them as blocks if you don't have any other left. Yeah. What do chests do? Like he said, write it in comments. Like please. Okay, are you ready? Do you see my? Wait. I think that's too. Wait. Don't not yet. Actually, that's too. Like that's gonna break the balance. So let me just put it up. This. Okay, okay. Okay, but if I don't do math, then I'm just gonna fall down. Okay. Long. Bruh. Okay. Oh my god. Are you ready? Are you ready? What? Okay, bro, I'm just gonna save you. I'm just gonna save you. Bruh, just cut. Bruh, okay, I'm gonna win the race. So yeah, I won the race. Yeah, bruh. Wait, let me just see. Bro, imagine a literal joke like that. Okay, bro, let's try to finish the game, like literally. Going to hell. Okay, let's make a duo boat. Yeah, what's the big brain idea? Big brain. Okay. That's not big brain anyway, but yeah, that's not big brain anyway, but yeah. Okay, wait, I'm going to make. Wait though, can you fill those spaces? I'm going to use this for the machine gun. The rest, like, please fill those spaces, like, please. Okay. Let me just. Okay. Oh wait, bruh. Wait. I'm gonna be the driver again. Bro! Okay, wait. I'm just gonna put my machine gun on top of yours. Bruh. Bruh. You should. Okay. Are you ready? Come on. 5. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What happened? Yeah, you're right. I'm not Mr. Math anymore because yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here randomly. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, land. Bye bye, land. Okay, let me just use my machine gun. Oh my god, did you see that? That's so sick. Bro, use your machine gun as. You can't kill anyone if it's not PvP, I think. Bro, wait, let's wait for their reload so that we can just shoot. Okay. Shoot. Shoot forward so. Bro, I said forward. Bro, why did I shoot? Oh, it was too high. It was too high. Bro, those butterflies are big. Like, they're big. Okay. Wait, using it? Yes! See? Okay. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Bruh, you didn't hit. Yeah, exactly. You didn't hit anything. Okay, okay, it's reloaded. Okay, there we go. What? Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Bro, you didn't put a force field. You're joking with me right now? Bruh, forgetting a force field be like hardness. Bro, it's dead. I was just gonna use it. I was just gonna use it. It's dead. It died. It died. Literally, it died. Bruh, I could have used yours anyway. Okay, bro, you're going really high. Oh no, no, don't, no, bear, like, oh, I can't control it anymore. Okay, no, we're dying, we're dying. It's too much electricity. Oh no, we're dying. This electricity, boy. This is the electrical power. No, I'm dying. I wanna reach the ship. Yes, yes. You're so lucky. Okay, bro. Ahem. What do I have? Like, please. I wanna. Okay. I'm wasting time to waste money. Okay. Rare. Oh my god. Rare only? Okay. Okay. Ooh, nice blocks. Oh my god. Really good. They're good for me right now. And let me just open another rare chest. Oh my god. What is there? Ice? Nice. I just have blocks. Oh my god. I'm so lucky. It's just a block, I think. Okay. Okay, so guys, I think it's time. So have a great time. I don't know if you can see my GPU here, but it's not really good. Okay. So bye. Have a great time. I wish everyone luck for their next journey, wherever they are going.